So yeah, now I'm going to be showing you how to the last time we think we talk about introduction and setting up. Now I'm going to show you the displays class before we go to the basic game structure. So now let's get right into coding. So the first things first, what I want to do, I want to show you some cool stuff you can do with TCJSgame. So this is our document here, and we have it hosted in live server, then into TCJSgame. So now to do some stunning in the TCJSgame, first comment this out, right? Then let's say we want to give it a background color. Let's say background color display dot background color and color. Then we give something like a psi. So you see that the background changed to psi. Then one thing we can also do is this: we can set a border. Say display dot border. I'm just going to open this here. I'm gonna say the border's color. Put it like I say brown. Then display. Oh, sorry. Got my brown. And I say display the border size, which is going to be in 12px. Then we have display the border style, which is solid. So once you see that, but you can actually go on to the CSS and actually start working on the border and other styling that you want to do in the game. And one thing you can also do is you can actually do some some gradients. So it's like our gradients, it's like, let's say light blue to psi. So you see that, you will notice we have a algorithms, but we change to algorithms, and we'll come here and put like top, yeah, you see we have everything. You can put top, you can put bottom, anywhere you like. You can, and that is all I'm going to show you about the display properties. But more as you go into setting up your game, you know how to manipulate and use the display property. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share to get more about TCJSgame, and yeah, the other stuff. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you.